let's get started on that. I've been dying to do this. I got all these jars for flour, brown sugar, oatmeal, you know, just all nuts, all the random foods that we have, and then some extra tubs for in the drawer storage and stuff. I got a vase. I got this salad spinner because it was a lot smaller than the one that I have, so I'm going to replace that with the giant one I have. And then I got this from the bathroom. I've washed and sanitized all my jars from Ikea, and I'm going to start consolidating all of my food from the pantry into these. I do have some jars I already purchased from another place that I'm going to swap out and kind of organize, so let's get started on that. I've been dying to do this. Just dying. I don't even know why I have all this canned food because I'm sure half of it's expired. Like if we're gonna have sweet peas or something like that, I just like them frozen instead of canned. I don't know. Let's see, when did these expire? December 2018. December 2017. Yeah, I'll have to go through these and see what's expired. Soups. I don't like soups in a can. I only like them homemade. I think Jordan likes soups in a can. Okay. Saw this at Costco and I just had to have it. Boxes, please. Holy moly, these really seal shut.